Today we're taking a quick look at Files, Smartships, and Google Sheets. So first of all, how do you add them? So the quickest way is to click into any cell, type at, and then you can look under the files, and then you can search or select them if they show up there. Another way to add them is to right click in a cell, scroll down to Smartships, click on File, and then you'll be now at that file interface. And the last way is to click in a cell and then click Insert, Smartships, and File there as well. And so you can click on a file and put it into a cell. You can actually add more than one by double clicking back into the cell and then again do the same process at, so you can insert multiple files just like that. And if you want to delete one of those multiple files, you can double click in that cell, select one, and delete it just like that. Now, if you're using a table, you can actually use the column type. So click in this dropdown, edit column type, Smartships, and then go to File. And then you'll see a placeholder that allows you to click on this and take you directly to that. And then again, you can do the same thing, click on a file to insert into that cell. Now let's take a quick look at what you can get from this chip. And so we can simply type equals, click or type in the reference to that cell, add a period, and then you can see the different options we have here. So let's select file name, hit enter. The next one, we will pick the MIME type, and just like that. And then in the final cell, we'll get that URL, just like that. And so that's how you can extract data from a file Smartship, just like that. And that is it for today's video. Make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.